For me, my job is my passion, and it's something that I've always wanted to do. I'm committed to helping repair our environment if, in fact, we can do that, and committed as a person, personally. I recycle. I have an electric car. Things that are part of EA culture is also a part of who I am personally.
I love the projects that we work on. We are helping make the world a better place, and cleaning up the environment, and that's what I want to do. That's what I've always wanted to do.
This is part of who I am, and it's to do the thing for a profession that I really love is really amazing.
EA Engineering, Science and Technology Inc., PBC, is actually a public benefit corporation. We're 100% employee owned, and we focus on the pure environmental space.
Our mission to improve the quality of the environment, one project at a time, that's our core purpose as a firm. It's really an honor to be able to live that kind of purpose. Our core values are openness, prudence, balance, and challenge. Let me take openness, for instance. We are open to listen, to hear everyone's opinions, to share information. Indeed, it's almost a requirement of all at EA to be in a reach-out mode to acquire information and listen to people.
We're very open internally in terms of how we're performing. None of that is hidden. In fact, we think it's an advantage. From entry level on up, we want people to understand the business, to understand our clients' businesses. We think that makes us better consultants.
We have quarterly all-hands meetings, and there's a little bit of personal and there's a little bit of business. They go over the money, like how are we doing? And from what I can see, we're doing pretty well.
The more that people are understanding the business as a whole, they're able to be more prudent with our overhead dollars and the way that you work on a project. We are all owners of this company, as now the ESOP has now taken hold for everyone, and so that is, I think of that in everything I do.
We're very prudent about how we spend our resources because we're managing projects on behalf of clients. I would think that every client would want somebody that is prudent and respectful of their resources the same way we are of our own. So we try to live that.
We really look at what is the most prudent thing to do. And I put it, prudence is really kind of wisdom delivered, if you will, in some ways. It's all about using the resources in the right way.
What I love the most is the balance that I have between life and work.
The balance, the work-life balance, as I've gotten older and progressed in my career, I know it's been even more important to me, starting a family, having time for the things I enjoy outside of EA. All of that is respected here.
EA has a lot of flexibility for someone like me. I'm a working mom, and I'm able to adjust my schedule more or less how I need to in order to maintain my personal life as well as have a career.
Of course, business comes first, but we'd like to socialize too during work and after work. It makes it easier to balance, to get the work done, enjoy doing it, and care about one another. And that makes a big difference.
Our fourth value, challenge, it's something deeply rooted in EA. It's all about getting at the tough problems, and that's what all of our folks love to do.
It's always been a fun and challenging place to work. We all, as consultants, we're always working on projects that we might find boring, and that's going to be part of it. If anybody tells you that every project you work on in your career is going to be the most fun, they're lying to you. But I would say that we've got enough really interesting projects that it keeps work very, I'd say, fresh for us. I don't get bored at EA.
We value challenge. That's what we love to do. The messier it is, the better. The more difficult it is to formulate and to figure out all the options, the better.
When I got to EA and I got to start at the office, and it was just this, it was like, oh, okay, now I'm at a place where what I do matters. Now I'm at a place where my opinion matters. It makes me proud to be an EA member, an EA owner, because it's not just the sustainability goals of our company, but also how we live our values.